Alright guys, back with another car payment video. It seems like people do not care how much these cars cost them a month. Some of these car payments are outrageous.
Much I pay monthly for my 2024 Tesla Model 3.
Tesla.
So I ordered this car brand new from the factory. When I picked up the car, I had a 2021 Tesla at the time, so I traded that one in. So I still had a balance on the car, and it valued a little bit less. So I traded that in. I got my approval with my credit union with 0 down payment. They handled all the financing. So after trading in my car, putting 0 down, right now monthly I pay $980 a month for my car.
God.
It could have been a little.
He paying $980 a month for a Tesla. That's outrageous. And a lot of it is because he rolled over negative equity from his previous Tesla. He went better off just paying that other Tesla off, but you know, everybody had the latest and the greatest.
A little bit less, obviously, if I put money down, but I chose not to. I don't really like putting money down when I buy cars. It's just I'd rather use that money down for other stuff. So
yeah, I understand that.
I've had this car for a couple months, and honestly, it's been a really fun car. Really nice interior, bucket seats. The seats have been very comfortable so far. Let me know if it's too high. You guys thought it was less or it was going to be more. Did you guys pay that much for a 2024 Tesla?
What car do you drive and what's your payment? 2023 BMW 5 Series. The payment, $2,650 a month. What car do you drive?
Down perfect 2023.
And what's your payment looking like every month?
$1,500.
What car do you drive?
I drive a BMW M4.
What's your monthly note?
I'm paying a little over 7.
What car do you drive
That's
and what's
crazy.
your monthly note?
I drive a 2024 MK5 Supra, 3.0 premium. I pay $675 a month.
What car do you drive and what's your payment looking like?
I drive a 340i, 0 payment, fully paid off.
I drive M4 Comp and I'm paying around $1,600 a month.
What car do you drive?
I drive an E92 335i and a 2008 RX 350, no payments, all cash.
What car do you drive? How much do you pay a month?
I got a 2015 Mercedes-Benz 63 and I pay under $900 a month.
What car do you drive?
God, 2015, he paying $900 a month. That's crazy. But I know the Mercedes is super expensive though, especially an S-Class. I know they brand new, them cars are over $100,000. That's crazy to me though.
How much do you pay?
Got a 2018 Tacoma TRD Sport, paying $485 a month.
This
Not
customer, he's in Connecticut and he's trying to get a 2023 Prius limited with 30,000 miles. He told me through text messages he's trying to be at $500 to $550 a month, so I'm going to see what I can do, see if it's even possible for us to get there. Where your credit's at, we can probably get you done with 3,000 down. The only thing is...
Now see, right there, that would turn me off right there. Probably get you done with 3,000 down. With that being said, you already know he probably got some credit issues. Anytime they say probably get you done, there's some credit issues going on.
Your payment's going to be a little bit higher. You're going to get a higher interest rate, but we can probably get you done with the 3,000 down. To be at that 550 that you're looking for, you would need to put a significant amount down. But with 3,000 down, you'd probably be looking at 700 to 710 a month.
700, 710 a month. Okay.
But that's including everything. The reconditioning that we put in the vehicle, $750 shipping
What?
cost, tax, title, license, and so your payment would be like 7 to 710.
All right, sounds good. Let me know.
Man, ain't no way I'm paying no $700 a month for no Prius. He tripping. Then he talking about for the reconditioning. See, that's how they slip that little slick stuff in there. That's why people don't like car dealers, man, salesmen.
Do a quick quote on the insurance because I haven't
That's
done that
crazy.
yet. See if I can get that rolling the next day or so. And then, is it like set in stone or what else would I have to do?
You already sent me over your bank statements, so then from here we would just submit to the bank. Once we get an approval, I'd reach out to you, let you know exactly what the payment would be, but it's going to be in that range that I gave you, and then we would just get the vehicle ready to be shipped, and we would ship it to you.
Gotcha. See what you can do with 4,000 down, what that payment would be, just to
1,000
see.
more?
And then, yeah, let me know.
Every $1,000 you put down, it's going to change your payment $18 to $20.
$18 to $20. It's better to take the deal and then refinance it later. Right?
Yes.
See, that's how they trick people. They hit you with, oh, you can refinance it later. It's a loan to value thing. If the car ain't worth what you owe on it, they're not going to let you refinance the car. But see, that's that slick dealership talk, man. That's how they get a lot of people, man. That's why a lot of people are suffering right now. And I'm telling you, man, these dealers ain't right, bro.
Thank you too. I just need a car to commute. I'm just do a quote on the insurance, because if I'm all in under 1,000, I'm able to pull the trigger on it.
For sure. Just let me know, because that is a hot vehicle and I don't want it to sell out from under you. So if you need anything, just give me a holler. You have the VIN and everything.
That's
so
crazy.
If you need anything else off the vehicle for the insurance quote, just let me know and
That's
I'll get
a
it over
bad
to you.
deal.
All right, sounds good. Yeah, I should be able to just do it through the app. So as soon as I stop, I'll get back to you.
All right, boss. Sounds good. Thank you for your time.
Bad deal.
I pay monthly on this car, $1,140. That is for a term of 96 months.
God.
Don't laugh at me.
That's crazy. 96 months. Ain't no way. My man got a 400 credit score.
Your boy Steve got me rolling. We are literally getting
That's
everybody
crazy.
approved. I don't care what your credit score is, bro. Everybody's approved. It's my man.
Here's the thing. Maybe the dealership don't care what your credit score is, but you should care. He about to get burned with this car deal. I won't even, matter of fact, a 400 credit score, there's no way he got him done. It got to be in-house finance. That's the only way.
And Jay, we just got him done on this 23 Chevy Malibu with only $500.
In 2024, I financed a 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. My APR was a 25%. The truck costed about $35,000, and my car note was $950. But when I initially got ready to finance, it was $1,025 or $1,050. But he told me he was able to give me a deal, and he dropped it down to $950. But he also said I can come back in 3 months, and if I pay my car note on time, which was the $950 for 3 or 4 months, I can come back and refinance. Now, me personally, I never heard of anything like that, but I went on and took his word because I needed a vehicle.
Rihanna put $12,000 down. Miss Rihanna, how much are you paying a month?
I paid about $976 for 84 months currently.
If you're in the market for a vehicle and you don't know where to start, just shoot me a DM at Destined Drive and we'll get you driving off today.
The average new car payment is $735 a month. The average new car is over $47,000. There are an average of 5,400 repossessions a day in the United States. And we have to stop normalizing this. People do it and don't think twice about it. You know, I went to a local auction last night, and one credit union there had 53 repossessions. And this is not a big city. This is a fairly small area. And they have 50 some repossessions every month at this same auction. That's 53 people, plus their co-signers, if they had a co-signer, that ruined their credit.
So there it is, guys, man. As you can see, man, people do not care these days. They would pay anything for the car they want to drive. I mean, I understand it. I get it. Some people feel like you only live once. You got to get what you're going to get. And I totally understand that. But right now, especially at my age, I'm facing retirement in a few years. And I want to be debt-free when I retire. I don't want to have to pay no car notes, none of that. So leave your comments, man. Appreciate y'all watching. Hit that like button so this video can circulate through YouTube. I appreciate y'all watching. I see y'all on the next one. Peace.